Hey guys, Mr.III here with an edited version of my Sylvania Headlight Restoration video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget that like and subscribe. So after reading all your comments from 2 years ago, it looks like I screwed up in the audio editing department. So hopefully this one will be a better one for you guys. I just want to make you happy. And please let me know in the comments. Alright, so for you readers out there, here are the instructions that they gave. So you can just pause, play, or whatever before we get to the restoration part, which I'll show the steps with our voice overlay. As you can see, these headlights are pretty foggy and hazy, and I can't even buff it out with my finger going back and forward. So hopefully this Sylvania restoration kit will work. So inside the kit we have our handy dandy instruction manual, 2 towels, a vinyl glove, some clarifying compound, 3 types of sandpapers, some tape, our surface activator, and our UV clear coat. So our first step is to tape the perimeter of our headlight, then apply the surface activator for about 30 seconds, then completely wash with water to remove any loosened corrosion. Step 2, the sanding and polishing, the fun one. So we're gonna first start off with our 400 grit sandpaper. You're gonna fold it in half, and then you're gonna sand in a circular motion, but also be adding water. So that's where you're gonna spray down the headlight and make sure the surface is wet the whole time. After you've finished using the 400 grit, and you wipe down the surface of the headlight to see if you actually targeted everything, you're going to go switch to the 1000 grit, which then you're going to just approximately sand that out for about 5 minutes at a medium pressure. And then you do the same for the 2000 grit, 5 minutes, medium pressure, and then check, occasionally. But you do not want to check with your blue towel that's given to you. Just use a paper towel. Now we're at the clarifying compound stage. You're going to take about a quarter-size drop of that and place it on the white towel that they provided you. And then you're just going to rub it in for another 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is the key time. And it is normal for the headlight to be hazy at this stage, but mine, they're looking pretty good. Then our last step in step 2 is to apply the surface activator again for about 30 seconds, and then you clean it with water. This is followed by removing the protective tape. And make sure your headlight is dry before going to the next step, the clear coat. Step 3, the UV block clear coat stage. So this one, you want to wear a glove, which I'm not. And then you're going to take your blue towel, fold it up, and make sure you have a corner that can fit inside that little bottle. You're going to dip that in there and get about a ½ inch of that corner in the clear coat. Then when applying, gotta make sure you choose which way you want to go. If you're gonna go from top to bottom or left to right, choose your way and start from one way and then work your way down or up. This is a step that was a little confusing, so you do not want to overlap too much, because if you overlap or if you go up and down, left to right, you're just gonna end up with a mess, which happened to me. And you can see it on this video, which I'll pop up in the corner over here. But if that happens to you, there's a simple way to fix it. You just gotta sand it all over and repeat those same steps. I know someone said something about using alcohol to take it off, but I just did sanding and it worked out perfect, which you can see for yourself. Well, thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.